In this video, I'm going to review the Unit 11 retest practice. So if we look at problem number one, it says, what would be the solution if you solve the exponent below? And then we have a little hint there. It says, think about what exponent would cubed be. Now, cubed is a cube is a 3D shape. So if you draw yourself a cube, it's going to be 3D. It has 3 dimensions. It has a length, it has a width, and it has a height. So that's why it's a 3-dimensional shape. So when we do cubed, it's actually to the exponent of 3. Now it wants us to solve that, so that'd be 9 times 9 times 9. I know 9 times 9 is 81, but then I have to again multiply it by that 9, and I don't know what that is, so I'm going to write it out to the side. 81 times 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 8 times 9 is 72. So I get 729 for my solution for that problem. So that's problem number 1. Problem number 2, it says, which of the following is equivalent to 3 to the 4th power? Now this is not 3 times 4. We will never, ever, ever multiply the base and the exponent together. Also, the exponent is a smaller number. So question, why is that 3 or the 4 smaller than the 3? Probably because it's telling us that we need to multiply the 3 out 4 times. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is how you would write that in expanded form for number 2. Number 3, it says, look at the model. The shaded area represents which expression? So you have 2 methods of going about this one. If you see that this is the side length of it is 4 and the other side length is 4, you can see that it's 4 squared, because 4 times 4 would be 16. You could also count up the pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 total pieces. So if you don't recognize that the sides are 4, you could at least see that there's 16 pieces and solve each one. So 4 times 3 would be 12. Well, I know that's not going to work because I need 16. 4 squared would be 4 times 4, which is 16. So that's why that one works. 16 divided by 4 gives me 4. Well, that's not going to work. I need 16. And 16 squared would be 16 times 16, which in no way is going to equal 16. So the only answer option I have for this one is B. Number 4, it says, what perfect square falls between 100 and 130? Hint, use a multiplication chart for help. So I'm going to pull up my multiplication chart and I'm going to say, okay, well, I know all my perfect squares are on the diagonal of the multiplication chart. And I want a perfect square that falls between 100 and 130. That was what the problem said. So here's 100. 130 would be somewhere before 144. So I need the perfect square, or the number that is on the diagonal. Well, it has to be 121. So the only answer that this one could be would be 121. And that's how you find it, using the diagonal of the multiplication chart. All right, moving on to number 5. Number 5 was an order of operations problem, and you should have shown your work on screen. So I have G, E, M, D, A, S. I don't have any groupings. I don't have any exponents, but I do have multiplication division, so I need to go from left to right through the problem. So I have negative 9 times 5, and remember you use the triangle for multiply and divide. So negative 9 times a positive 5 would give me a negative 45. Bring down everything that I haven't used yet. I still have to finish my multiplication. 3 times 4 gives me 12. Bring down everything I haven't used yet. Now I'm done with my multiplication and division, but I need to do my addition and subtraction from front to back. So I have negative 45 minus 4 more, so I get negative 49 plus 12. And then I have to finish out this last step, negative 49 plus 12. So this one's a tricky one. Think about where negative 49 is on the number line, and I add 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this would be 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. This is negative 40, negative 39, 38, negative 37. So negative 37 should be your answer for that one. You could also just do subtraction and see that they're different signs. 9 minus 2 would be 7, 4 minus 1 would be 3, and I know I have more negatives than I do positives, so it's a negative 37. Either way is okay. And then if I look at the last one, which is number 6, again, you should write your GEMDAS down the side. I have groupings for this one, so I have 6 minus 3 that I need to solve first. 6 minus 3 would be 3, and then sneak attack that exponent after it comes out of the parentheses. I'm done with groupings because this single number in a grouping is a fake out, so I need to do the exponent. 3 to the second power really means 3 times 3, which is 9. So this is really 9 plus 4 times negative 2. I'm done with my exponents. Now I have this multiplication I need to solve. Remember to use the triangle when you have integers. So I have a positive 4 and a negative 2, so it's going to give me a negative solution of negative 8 plus 9. And then I have 9 plus negative 8, which gives me a positive 1. And again, if you need to use a number line for that one, you can think about it 9, and then I go backwards 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so that's your little review of your retest practice. If you have any questions on the retest practice, please make sure you reach out to your teacher. And you're welcome to let us know when you're done with your practice so that we can provide you the password for the retest. Thank you so much for your hard work and have a wonderful day.